Good morning, students. Again, we have to solve two questions of exercise 7a, and after question number 19, the rest of the questions are to be not taken in examination purpose due to lack of time. So, about your question number 17 and 19, here we factorize again by grouping them, so that solution for question number 17, in first two expression r is common, so r is the highest common factor and quotient becomes a plus b. That means highest common factor and quotient product of these two will make ar plus br, plus in at and bt t is common, so t is the highest common factor, again a plus b is common, that means it is the product of highest common factor and quotient. Now in next step, a plus b is common, that is highest factor, this two binomial term is highest factor, and quotient will now become r plus t, so that the solution is a plus b into r plus t. In next question, see, I have already arranged them: ab square minus ab minus bc square plus c square, so that here I have to choose first highest common factor ab, so that here b remain minus 1, again minus c, or c square can be taken, that is b minus c square into b gives minus bc square, and minus 1 minus c square minus 1 gives plus c square, so that in first two highest common factor is ab and b minus 1 is quotient, and in this two minus c square is highest common factor and b minus 1 is quotient. Again in third step, b minus 1 is HCF and quotient ab minus c square. Dear student, now we have to solve questions based on exercise 7b, in which we have to follow first, that is condition 4 for factorization. Here factorization done when given expression is difference of two squares. Here is the difference of two squares, a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b, that we have learned in algebraic identities. Now these are some questions which are purely based on the type of factorization. Now first of all, x square minus 36, here is the solution. X square, first of all we have to make them difference of two squares. X square minus 6 square, we can write it, so that the solution for this is x plus 6 into x minus 6. Now in next question, again we have to change them into square of two expressions, that is 2x whole square minus 3y whole square, without changing its meaning, so that 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y is the solution. Now in next question, question number 6, 9a square b square minus 25, so that we can write 3ab's whole square minus square of 5, so that here it becomes difference of two expression, that can be written as 3ab plus 5, 3ab minus 5. In next question, question number 10, Here, first of all, we have to find out its highest common factor, that is 3. Now, rest of the quotient to be put inside bracket, that is 4x square minus 9. Now, inside bracket, the expression has to be changed into difference of two expression, that is 2x whole square minus 3 square. Now the result becomes 3, 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. Now dear student, in our next question, question number 12, we have to change it in difference of two expression. Before that, we have to find out highest common factor of these two expression, that is 16x cube. Now quotient becomes x square minus 9. So that x square minus 9 to be changed into difference of two expression, 16x cube x square minus square of 3. Now this will now become difference of two expression, so that 16x cube multiplied to x plus 3 into x minus 3 is the factorization answer of this question. Now about question number 17. In this, first expression is already given in square form. Second to be changed first, 4c whole square. Now how here it becomes difference between two expression, so that a square minus b square form, it is already been changed, so that 2a plus 3b plus 4c, that is a plus b, and 2a plus 3b minus 4c, that is a minus b form. Now in next question, first expression to be changed first into square, 5a square. Now minus to be taken as common sign. Now this entire expression to be changed into square of second expression, 2b's whole square. Now minus 28bc plus 7c's whole square. Look, this 25a square now becomes square of first expression, and in next 2b square, that is 4b square multiplied by minus, minus 4b square, minus into minus plus 28bc. Now minus into plus, minus 7c square whole square, that means 49c square. Now 5a's whole square minus, this will now become square of 2b minus 7c's whole square. By following the identity a minus b's whole square. Now this entire question change into difference of two expressions, so that a square minus b square, that will becomes a plus b, 5a plus 2b minus 7c, and a minus b, 5a minus 2b plus 7c. This all about your exercise 7b. Now rest of the questions to be solved in assignment